mic's about to blow though. Tell me something that I don't know. With the crowd bouncing like bogles. You can come on the tour bus, just please no photos.
Hello everyone, my name is John Rai and this is my YouTube channel, and today we are going to transform this old broken phone case into this bad boy. Before we go further, make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you will never miss any update. So to make this Galaxy print phone case, you need an old phone case and a blue fabric paint, white fabric paint, because once it is completely dry it becomes 100% waterproof, and a white fabric paint, black fabric paint, and a paint brush. Black tape is optional if your phone case is broken, and a piece of cloth or a piece of sponge will do the job. And the last thing we need is this glove. Only one glove will do the job. So let's begin, and as you can see I've used that black tape to repair the phone case a little bit. So as you can see I'm wearing this glove because I don't want my hand to get dirty of this paint. So let's stop the nonsense and let's begin. If you already have a black phone case, you don't need to paint it black, so you can just skip this part and go further.
When I met you in the summertime with your fine ass, Merlot in that wine glass, she dope as hell from Jersey, baby. White girl but the curves are crazy, and she up all night like Adderall. She like sushi too, we compatible, and these other guys have it. So
make sure you cover each and every part of your phone case with this black paint, because detailing is the king in these kind of artwork. So after you're done with this painting, leave the cover to dry for 10 to 15 minutes, then come back and we are going to apply the second layer. And this is the reason why you need a glove. So the black paint is completely dried now. We need some blue paint. Pour it on a plate or something and use that piece of cloth or sponge and just tap over your phone case. Simple. Just tap 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 tap. And leave some little bit of black areas on your phone case because we need that dark color as well. So take some white paint, just pour it down and mix these both color. As we mix these color, as you can see, we'll get a lighter shade of blue, and this is what we want. Mix it properly and just do the same thing. Take the sponge or a cloth you have and start tapping on it. Tap on it, or you can tap on the haters.
When I met you in the summer, and I came to your town.
After you're done, leave it to dry for 10 or 15 minutes, and after that, now finally we have the shade we wanted for our galaxy. Now all we need is some planets and a little bit of stars. Just pour some white paint and dip your toothbrush on it. Just sprinkle the white paint over your phone case, and that is how we will get our stars on our phone case.
When I met you in the summer, when I met you in the summer.
And if you want to draw some bigger and shinier stars, you can do it by the help of this toothpick. That is optional. If you're good in it, you can give it a try.
So they mad and on, cause I'm ill like a dragon roll. Got cover girls in my room, but they don't need no makeup though. They just trying to party, live too fast to take it slow.
So after a little bit of retouching, our Galaxy phone case is completely done now. This is how it looks. And as you can see, I have painted my shoes as well. I've painted this almost 2 years ago and it is still the same. As I was saying, when this paint gets dry, it becomes 100% waterproof, and as you can see, this fabric paint is not coming off. And this shade and this Galaxy print looks super cool and unique as well. So as you saw, this is how I made this Galaxy print case, and if I can make this case, you can do it as well. This is super easy and super simple. You don't need to be a great artist to perform this art on your phone case. So this is it guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give a big fat thumbs up on this video, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on next week. Peace.
They saying Mike's about to blow though. Tell me something that I don't know. With the crowd bouncing like bogles. You can come on the tour bus, just please no photos. Up the ride like Somo, cause we be going off on the off nights. Cause I've been on every single song I put my pin on now. They don't know, or maybe they starting to. Cause I work so hard that it's hard to lose. Top spot, I'm taking that face to face. Got a bottle in my hand, I'm facing that. Cause if winning is a habit, then I've been an addict. Every night it's cinematic when you roll with us. And we won't live forever, but I will remember when I met you in the summer. And I your town. We fell in love, then we burned it to the ground. And we could be together, baby.